The 2000 Buell S3 Thunderbolt has a very unique and cool feature that's within its frame design. It utilizes Buell's signature frame construction, which integrates the motorcycle's fuel tank, oil tank, and frame into a single unit known as a uniplanar powertrain frame. This design enhances rigidity and reduces weight, contributing to an improved handling and performance. The S3 Thunderbolt is powered by a 1203cc air-cooled 4-stroke V-twin engine. This engine configuration provides ample torque, making it suitable for both city riding and highway cruising. The engine is known for its distinctive Buell exhaust note, offering a satisfying auditory experience for riders. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. The S3 Thunderbolt has a unique aesthetic that blends sportiness with a touch of retro flair. Its design incorporates elements such as sculpted fuel tank, aggressive stance, and minimalist bodywork. These styling cues set it apart from other motorcycles of its era and give it a distinctive presence on the road. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.